Hey guys, Tony. Good morning. So I did want to talk about crypto.com a little bit closer because I know we've been following this a lot in the last couple of the last week or so, last couple of days, and as of right now, it does look like we're going to be closing another 4 hour on the bull side. I can definitely see us running up again, another maybe 20 cents or so. I mean, looking at recent pushes, right, we can get kind of a general idea of how much it's actually ran from low to high, right? So last time we did 24 cents, and then prior to that we also did, whoops, we did 19 cents, right? So first instance was 2 days and 20 hours. Second instance was in 12 hours or so. And then this past instance where we ran from low to highs, we did roughly from retrace to high, we did 34 cents, right? So every push has been a little bit bigger than the previous one. So 19, 24, 34. Um, if we do, I actually expect it. If we actually, I'm actually going to be doing it from a higher point, just because I actually do expect it to rally harder, just because it looks like we are going to be closing a 4 hour bullish trigger on the reverse MACD, and our stochastic is sort of being overbought, right? We're not actually at 79 yet, but we're definitely getting there rather quickly. So if we actually go from lows, right, we actually get it from the retrace, and we do in what? It's at 12 hours. Let's do 12 hours, right? And we'll do 34. 34, 447, right there. So I could definitely see us going to highs of almost $1 in the next, what, like 12 hours? Actually, this is a little too, let me see, 34 here, like, I think it was 16 hours from the last one. So definitely something, or maybe like 2 days, I don't know, man. Somewhere here, like when this next bull trigger actually happens, which would actually close in about 6 minutes and 6 minutes and 50 seconds. So there's definitely really good momentum to the upside, and I do think that if we actually end up closing in the next couple of hours somewhere around the lines of $1 or so, if we just wick up there, that's fine. But actually, if we end up wicking up there and or actually closing a candle above this, and we actually end up closing above this bullish channel, I think we're actually running possibly to like maybe 115 ish, maybe 125. I think that's what we can possibly do. Maybe in the next, possibly more than likely this week. But it does look like all signs point to more bull momentum, and I would not be surprised to see $1 within the next week or two, or this week. I would not be surprised to see $1 sometime this week. And if we actually end up closing candles above this bullish channel right now, this blue, you see this bull, this blue line right here. So this and this blue line on the bottom, it's indicating a bluish channel. It's a slight gradual rise in price, right? It's just going up and down, up and down, up and down, whatever. If it ends up breaking this bullish channel, so we can kind of assume that the next stop is going to be somewhere above 90 cents. That's what I think it's going, right? But if it actually ends up closing candles above this bullish trend up here on the upside, there is a really strong chance that we keep running to $1.25, somewhere around that area. So keep in mind, I'm extremely bullish on CRO right now, especially it closing a red bubble under the zero line, and and also it being overbought like this on the stochastic. So I want to see what happens. I want to see how crazy this violent close is. Also, if you want access to my setup here, the reverse MACD and how to use the stoke with it, and just a lot of other stuff, you feel free to join my Patreon. You don't have to, but I feel like I don't really mention it all that much to and then if I do mention it, I don't link it. So I'll try to I'll try to link it and stuff. But yeah, I'm definitely 100% bullish on core right now. I just want to see how big this bull push is going to be, especially when we're already overbought like this. Crow tends to move, pretty sporadically. So, last time we actually had a 4 hour trigger like this. Whoops, where did it close? Right here. Yeah, so last time I had it close like this, it went from 62 cents to 82 cents. So it went up 20 cents, right? From right here like I said, if we go up another 20 cents, we're going to see 96 cents, which would bring us somewhere in the line, along the lines of here, somewhere in this area, right? So definitely very close to our forecast. But we'll see what happens. In 4 minutes, more than likely we'll close bullish unless we have some random sell-off. But I'm just waiting to see what happens in the next possibly 2 days, possibly the next 16 hours or so. I want to see, how big this pushes to the upside, and if we can actually break this 77 resistance here. That's been super important, and it hasn't been wanting to break that ever since we first tested it on November 21st, which was 2 days ago at noonish, I think, right? 12 o'clock noonish. So, we'll see what happens, but I'm definitely bullish. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.